Hi, this is Dr. Tirgari with Avalon Laser. Today we're talking about lip fillers, also known as lip augmentation. Many benefits can be seen with lip augmentation for younger and older people alike. For younger women who want a more beautiful look, lip fillers can be done safely and effectively in the office and give your lips a more plump and juicy look that looks extremely aesthetically pleasing. For older people who have lost a lot of lip volume, lip augmentation can simply enhance the natural beauty of the face and restore volume that was lost with time and age. There are many other benefits to lip augmentation, such as removing lines around the mouth, which are oftentimes seen when lips are filled. At Avalon Laser, there are other methods that we use, such as the Botox lip flip, which can avoid the protruding look that can occur with older augmentation methods. A question we're oftentimes asked is, how long will this last? And a usual procedure can last 9 to 12 months, although this can vary from person to person. Lip fillers simply work by restoring volume with hyaluronic acid, which is a natural component of your own skin. This is why with lip augmentation, your lips can feel and move as naturally as they do any other time. To learn more, please come visit us at www.avalon-laser.com and learn more about what we can offer for you.